Hi everyone, Izumi here. Today I want to show you all the cool things that are on your Bereev dashboard and how to make full use of them. So let's get started. I'm here on my own dashboard as you can see, and the first thing I want to show you is this navigation bar on the left hand side of your screen. So this is where you go when you want to navigate to any parts of Bereev. You will see the home button where you can, anytime you click on it, it will bring you back to your dashboard right here. So if you are doing any plans and you want to come back to the dashboard, just click on home. The next thing you'll see is categories. So under categories, you'll see all the different components of your death plan. So we have departure, where you can plan your funeral and add your will. We have finance, where you can add your financial information, your assets, health, and your pets. So below categories, we have something known as messages. So when you click on messages, you can add your messages right here. So after messages, we have something known as my sidekicks. So sidekick is someone that you invite to view your plan. On my sidekicks, you can actually add a sidekick, invite them, or even manage their access level anytime. Now, the last thing on this menu bar here is I'm a sidekick for. This means that not only can you invite someone else to view your plan, but someone else can also invite you to view their plan. So if you've been invited to view someone else's plan, you can just click on this button right here and you can view their plan from this page. So right now I don't have anything yet. Alright, let's go back to home. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is this top orange bar here. Right here, this box here that says plus, it shows me that I'm on the plus version of Bereev. So if you're on the free version, which is known as Lite, it will say Lite and there will be a button to help you upgrade your account from Lite to Plus if you choose to do so. The next thing you'll see is your name. So this is where your user settings are. You'll see your name and your profile photo icon right here. So when you click on your name, there are two options. There's the settings. So if you click on settings, you can do things like changing your languages, or you can even switch between Muslim and non-Muslim mode. You can change your password, you can learn more about the plan that you're on and how much storage you have already used up. On top of settings, you can also sign out right here. Again, let's go back to home. Okay, now I want to show you what's in the center of your dashboard. So below this greeting here, you will see a very cool line here. So it says, welcome back, you last edited your departure plan about 1 hour ago. So we understand that death planning is not something you do every single day. You may come back after planning, let's say a few days later, a few weeks, months, or even years, right? But we always want you to remember what was the last thing that you did, so you can pick things up again easily. So whenever you add something, edit anything, or change anything, we will tell you what was the last thing you did right here. So if you log in 2 years' time, you will still be able to see what was the last action you have taken, and we will also show you when you did that thing. Right? So now let's go down to this second section. So this section here is known as My Plans. So My Plans is a guided planning process. So it's the same task right here as all what you can find on the navigation bar, but My Plans is more guided. So we bring you through the whole flow step by step. There is another video tutorial that shows you how to use My Plans, so check that one out if you're interested in knowing more. But the idea here is very simple. There are a few flows that you can choose from, and it's based on what goals you want to achieve. So if you want to manage your assets or plan your departure or even organize your finance, you can click on that particular goal and we'll bring you through that flow. And each flow will have different tasks in it. So if you haven't started any plan yet, it will appear like this, just a very simple tile. But if you already started working on a certain plan and you are already making progress, you will see something like this. It says continue planning and then it will show you your progress. So this one I already started, but I haven't done anything yet. Whereas for this one, I started and I'm already done halfway. So I have 3 more tasks to go until I reach 100%. So that's it, right? And then if you notice, we actually show you how long each task takes for you to complete. So that's very cool. Finally, at the bottom of this dashboard here, we have a section known as My Sidekicks. This is exactly the same thing as you see on the left hand side here, My Sidekicks here. It's the same thing, but we just put it here so it's more convenient for you to see who you have invited to be your sidekicks, what's the status, have they accepted or rejected, or did they ignore your invitation. And you can edit them right here or right here, it doesn't matter because it's the same thing. Now the last thing I want to show you is this tiny box on the left corner below your screen. So if you have any questions, or if you encounter any issues, any problems, or if you have any feedback that you want to let us know, click on this link right here and we will bring you to the contact form. So it's the contact us page where you can write down your message and then we'll get back to you from there. So that's it from me today, guys. It's super simple to navigate Bereev as well as your dashboard. I'll be back again soon with another easy tutorial on how to use Bereev. Until then, bye bye.